YouTube, it's your boy Bando NYC. Wait, it's not NYC no, we changed it, fellas. B58 Bando. Damn, but we're just gonna leave it as Bando for me. But yeah, if you guys see me, I'm in the 540 for me. But yeah, today's video, I see from the title, we are getting a straight pipe. Yes, sir. Okay, y'all know, man. I don't like my cars quiet, bro. And this shit is stuck quiet as fuck. Yeah, look at it. Exactly, it's quiet as fuck, and I'm not fucking with it. So we're gonna go to the muffler shop, get straight pipe. I don't know how much it is, so they want me coming and see. So we're gonna see. But most likely I'm gonna get it though. But I'm gonna show what I got. Look. And I got tents too, but I'm gonna show you when I get to the muffler shop. But look what we got, fellas. Look what we got. Yeah, Americas, baby. Yes, sir. Stop playing with them. Oh, shit don't wanna come out. This fucking shit don't wanna come out. The fuck? Hold on, guys. Let me put y'all down right here. Look at that. Tough. Yes, sir. But let me put this back up. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can I'm gonna see if the muffler shop can put it on. I don't know how to, but if anything, I'm gonna see one of my boys. So I'm not too sure about putting the Americans on. I really want to put it on today, but we're definitely gonna get the straight pipe though. So I'm about to go get something to eat, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we at the muffler shop. Fellas, so we here at the muffler shop. Oh god. Hey, you working? Cool. How much for straight pipe? Okay, cool. All the way through the phone. You can't tell me how much? Straight pipe, yeah. Huh? Like take it muffler for me. Two, right? Two of one. It's two of them. Good. No, talk. One muffler to start with. You can look them. Fine. God, man, I see it, man. Straight pipe, I want it straight. See what he's saying, man.
Something like that, it's expensive. It's probably around $300 just for the muffler.
Muffler delete? Yeah. So they said $300 for that muffler delete? Ow. But I got a few shops to check, so whoever give me the best price, I'll just take it from there. I have the money. I just want to see who will give me the best, price. Word. So let's go. I'm gonna catch them at the other muffler shop. At the second muffler shop, we about to check how much it'll be. So they gotta look on there and check. So let's see if they'll give us a good price. Word. Cause as I told you, bro, I need my car lot. I can't deal with the price. I can't, bro, because I know I was with the Acura. I love that shit, bro. In general, I just love loud. But yeah, they about to bring it up right now. my baby. That muffler, shit right under there. Let's see how much they charge, as I said. So they claiming $250 for this shop. I'm gonna check one more shop, cause everyone said $300. This shop saying $250. I'm gonna check one more spot, and if that other spot can't beat this price, then I'm just gonna take this shop right here, one for $250. Yeah, so I'm gonna catch up when we get to the other shop. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Yes, sir. About to pipe it up. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yeah. Look, guys, look. This shit don't want to flip. Yes, sir. Fully straight. Let's get it. Alright, fellas. So it's done. We're about to turn it on. Oh, God. You might hold the camera for me. Can you hold the camera for me? Got turn on the car? You hold it? Yeah. Make sure it's facing this way. Okay, alright, yeah. I'm about to turn. Just look at the car.
Only car or you too?
Okay? Yeah, good. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, that's that B58. Right, so we got that exhaust open out now. Yes, sir. Let's hear it, baby. Sound better now. Oh yeah. Keep going. Keep going. So guys, so next day we here for me. We're about to get the M mirror caps installed. Got the baby. She's looking good as always. But yeah, we about to get the mirror caps installed. Let me get this. Yes, we gotta get them installed. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, look at this vet right here. Let me show you this vet. This vet is very nice. Clean too. Sheesh. That shit hard, man. Hell yeah. So everybody get this shit done. sir, yes, sir. Wow, that's clean. Wow. Yeah, man.
You want to see something crazy?
Yeah, let me see something, man.
Look at this shifter in here too. You got the RTD short shifter. Alcantara everywhere.
Jeez. Yeah, nah, that's clean as fuck, man. Wow. Ooh.
Got a couple things done to it.
Ooh. Clean. Damn, how much is pushing, man?
Right now, it's just on an off-the-shelf tune, so it's making like probably 400.
400?
I have to get a custom tune for the bigger turbo I did, and I have a port kit on the way. So
Damn.
should be like 650 after all that.
Holy shit.
Yeah, but right now it's just stage 2 plus with the bigger turbo. So
Wow, yo, guys, this
it
is
doesn't know what to do with
clean.
it.
Oh my god. Wow.
Plus, I have the rims getting powder coated, new suspension, new control arms, and everything coming in.
Yeah.
After all that, it should be good.
Wow. This is hella clean. That bitch is loud. Yeah, that shit loud. Damn. Holy shit. Hell yeah. That shit sounds Oh my fucking god, that shit sounds crazy, bro. Wow. Yo, this shit sounds crazy. What a bro. Damn. Shit, wow. That shit sounds crazy. Wow. It's looking nice, guys. Never know, looking nice, guys. Getting put on right now. Yeah, it's looking nice, very nice. Wow. It'll soon be done. As soon as it's done, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright guys, it's done. Look at that, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Sheesh. Man. That's beautiful, beautiful. Clean, man, clean. Yeah, anybody who need a BMW work on or parts or anything, you can come to my guy right here. Or you can shout out your at and stuff in IG.
It's at Why It's So Fast. Spelled out exactly how it sounds.
Yep, so any parts y'all need, come to my guy. He's located in CT. So definitely come. Yeah, they look very clean, man. Jeez, appreciate it, man, for real. Wow. Clean, clean. But yeah, guys, I'm about to head to the BMW dealership, so when we get to the BMW dealership, I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Just got the BMW dealership. Just got the keys replaced. Let me show you. Oh shit, my shit bugging out. Yeah, can't really see it. Yeah, just got the place with BMW. But yeah, we outside. Look at the beast. She's clean. She's clean. Yeah, man, she clean as fuck. Sheesh. Look at that. Wow, she is beautiful. Muffler, yes, yes. Alright, guys, we got the car wash. We getting her first wash. Yes, sir. Getting her right. Yeah, getting it washed up right now, and after we're gonna head to the BMW dealership to go replace these keys. So let me get back there and get to the BMW dealership. And obviously, you know, we gotta get the Acura right too. Feel me? Can't forget about my baby. This is where it all started from. You feel me? Went through a lot with this car. I ain't gonna lie, went through a hell of a lot with this car, but you know, still love her to death. You know, it's my first car. Well, my first car I bought. My first car was the Honda my mom got me, but she gave it to me, so I don't consider me buying it. But this is the first car I bought. I love her to death. Though. Very beautiful. Acura ILX, one of the cleanest ILX is out here. A lot of people talking about this car. Like, I get so much talk about this car. Literally, it's great.
I can't trust nothing, that's why I'm rocking this chrome. Call her AK a pound, gotta slow down on the jeans. V12, but it's a Maybach, move fast and slow out the lane. I can't go off IG pistol.